Hey guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks. It is Wednesday. It is time for some shop cards. Well, technically it's Tuesday, and I'm recording it on a Tuesday night. I'm hoping to have this out by Wednesday. May not come out till Thursday. We will see. I've been trying to do these on a Wednesday though, kind of like a midweek type thing on these shop cards. It went a long time. I didn't get any shop cards, and then just all of a sudden I've gotten like a ton of them, which is awesome. Keep sending them. My email address is down below. Email me, say, hey Justin, I would like to send you a shop card. I would like your shop card because I have shop cards too. You know, I'll be happy to send you one, and we'll definitely get a shop card swap going. You don't have to have a shop card. I'll send you my card anyhow. You don't have to want one of my cards. I'll be happy to take yours. Bear with me, guys. I do have a sinus infection, which I am starting to get over. Antibiotics are starting to do their thing. We have 3 shop cards from 3 fantastic channels here. We're going to start with Mike over at Scale Speedworks. Also, Scale Spaceworks. I don't know if that's a separate channel or not. I went and looked and I couldn't find it, but definitely he's got all the Star Wars stuff up on there. I've done a couple of the Bandai Star Wars kits. I've done the A-Wing and the X-Wing, and those were a lot of fun. In fact, they're, oddly enough, they're the only things that I've actually lit up. Some of that Seamus action from See My B&W. Got some LEDs in there and running some fiber. I can do the tiny little 1/72 scale Bandai kits, but I can't wire up a card to save my life. Part of it's because all the electronics are down in the base on the Star Wars stuff. And I just don't have, I haven't figured out how to hide the electronics in a card. But, because I don't really want it wired down onto a base where it's stuck, you know? So, but Mike, get back to Mike. Mike has an awesome channel. He hosted the 60th anniversary Mustang group build. He's involved with several other group builds. He's got some fantastic builds on his channel. He's definitely got a variety of stuff over there, a lot of videos, some great stuff to go check out. So go ahead and check him out. There will be a link always. There's a link down in the description. There will probably be a link that pops up over here. But definitely go give Mike a check out, and thank you, Mike, for the kind note with the kind words on it. I appreciate it greatly. Our next card comes to us from Dave over at Woody's Scale Model Garage. Another fantastic channel. All these guys are fantastic channels. Dave's got some fantastic stuff on his channel as well. He's got a community video where he shows everybody his space where he works at, his modeling space. Just an awesome space from someone who's been building for a very long time. You can definitely see like the progression of his hobby. Absolutely awesome. He just did a Model Cars and Coffee video. He's taken part in Paul's Model Cars and Coffee. I thought about that. I'm just trying to find time to make videos. I should be working on the Mustang. I should be working on the chassis for the Mustang, and I'm not. And I should be editing the final on the Porsche, and I'm not. Dave also sent me a sticker, which is a stickered version of his shop card. That is awesome. You guys know I love my stickers. Stickers are cool. I'm an 80s kid. I was born in 75, so, you know, by the time I was actually aware, it was 80s. You know, stickers are an 80s thing. Love stickers. But yeah, definitely go check out Dave's channel. He's also got coverage for NNL East for this year and last year. Lots of great stuff. Go check him out. And our last shop card comes to us from Edgar The Black Poe over at One Team Garage. Another absolutely awesome channel. He's got some beautiful builds. He's got a Plymouth Roadrunner, a 70 Roadrunner in blue that is just beautiful. And then he's another one of his that I really like. He's got a Shelby Cobra going. and it's just in this absolutely fantastic shade of green. It is just absolutely beautiful. Green with the white stripes, just magnificent, beautiful paintwork, absolutely flawless looking. Go ahead and check him out. He also has a book on Amazon called The Master Builder, I believe. It's for those of you who like to do the build sheets on and keep track of all of your builds, you know, all the stuff that you put in it and all the extra work that you did and all the aftermarket. It's like just it's a book of build logs. So thought I was going to sneeze there. Absolutely check that out as well. Support one of our fellow creators in one of his endeavors there. But yeah, definitely several just gorgeous builds on there. I could just name builds. I could just go on a list of builds on his channel. They're all looking great. Edgar also sent me a sticker. Stickers, love stickers. So the stickers are going on the project boxes. I have 3. These are little Plano tackle boxes, like the deep storage tackle boxes from Plano. And these are where I keep all of my projects in. So this one would be the Mustang. And so I've got little bins I've got a big chunk for the body, and then I've got little bins for wheels and tires and brakes and engine parts and just this, that, the other. So I can keep everything nice and neat and organized. But when you guys send me stickers go on the project boxes. Sometimes these project boxes go with me to shows so I can work on stuff while I'm sitting around. And so I like having you guys' stickers all over the boxes so that people can see the channels that I'm watching and supporting. I try to watch as many as I can. Guys, I am subbed to so many people now. I had no idea I would be subscribed to so many people when I started this channel. So yeah, when you guys send me stickers, I absolutely love the stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. I'm going to try and keep this one short. You know, the shorter the video, the less editing, right? So check these guys out. Dave, Mike, and Edgar. Give these guys a check out. Give them a like. Give them subscribes. You're definitely going to love what's on their channels. Go and support these guys, and I will catch you guys on the next one.